Our aim when people go here is they immediately feel that they are going inside the space that is intimate. We want them to feel this exclusive peek inside the chef's kitchen. So the space is really designed to be open and embracing at the same time. Hi, I'm Kevin Nieves. I'm a partner and architect at Headroom, and I designed Helm. Helm by Josh Boutwood is a multi-course restaurant in Ayala Triangle. It's about 100 square meters and seats about 24 people at one time. This restaurant explores a multi-course menu and highlights Josh's approach to food with simple, uncomplicated ingredients. The big idea behind this project is when people come in, Josh wants the guests to feel that they are inside the kitchen. It's part of his method of serving dishes and cooking that guests are really witnesses to the process. And he calls it a culinary performance art. So upon entering the door from the hallway, you will immediately see a pocket door made of reclaimed kamagong wood. We chose kamagong because the patterns of the kamagong veins reflect the Kalakata veins of the table and the counter. Secondly, when you push through this heavy door, you will immediately see two center islands. It's actually not just a table, it's a functioning kitchen equipment. There's invisible cooktop on one of it, that's the hot kitchen counter, and the other side is the cold kitchen, which has freezers. And most of the stainless steel here, we finished it with black powder coating because when it's dark, we want the white countertops to really be floating. You want to highlight the food and also the surface where it is served on. And then on top of this white stone countertops, we have this floating stainless hood that is cladded with cement rendered finish. We want this render to be as rough as possible to highlight the smoothness of the table. One thing that you will notice when you enter the restaurant is the raw concrete columns that we really highlighted. It adds to the uniqueness of the place because each cast column is different from every cast column, and it was highlighted by putting a sculpture from reclaimed wood covered with brass finish. So there's a balance of roughness and refinedness. As you move around the restaurant to find your table, you will notice that the concrete floor has cracks in it. And in between those cracks are brass finishes. These are actually molten brass, so it's also a part of showing age in the design. Lastly, the acoustics is really paramount in the design of this space, because we want a restaurant that you can listen to the chef discussing the food. We use a waffle ceiling to absorb the sound better, and also to use wood instead of metal because wood is more absorbent to sound than metal. Secondly, we used curtains throughout the glass area. So there's soft material that can also absorb the sound. Since being given 2 stars by the Michelin Guide last year, I think Helm has had a great surge of diners. So the natural evolution would be to think of a way to maybe expand without really diluting the experience. The biggest takeaway for me is actually to be brave in trying new things. Headroom was really pushed to the limit in thinking of unconventional ways in terms of the form and the layout of the restaurant. It taught me how to be braver in how to approach design. And I think it also has taught me how to trust my first instincts in doing design and not really overthink it. Because sometimes the first idea that comes to you is actually the best idea.